Good morning, gentlemen, and your excellencies. Bula.
Good morning.
Pula PM,
Bula.
good to see
Prime
you.
Minister, very nice to see you. How are you? Good to see you.
Sorry, we got sidetracked. Bula.
How was Kazakhstan?
Oh, Kazakhstan was great. I was just
Yeah?
telling the team that I enjoyed Kazakhstan.
Good to see you. I was ambassador to Kazakhstan before I came here.
Oh, did you?
From Moscow. And I went to
from Moscow?
Yeah, I went to present credentials there, and it was minus 38 degrees.
Yeah.
With a wind chill factor.
You, of course, you met all these gentlemen on my side of the house.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Attorney General, thank Australia again for its support for our COP23 presidency. And Ambassador, I want to especially welcome you again to Suramachin.
Yes.
And my permanent secretary, of course, and the Honorable Minister Seri Ratu, who's been doing an outstanding job.
Is he filming us standing still?
Thank you.